Hey guys, I thought I'd make you all a seasonal Halloween gift. Using my meagre ZBRUSH skills, I thought I'd make a monster style ring for you. This fella is already included in ZBRUSH and I'm just going to modify him a bit to make him a little bit different. As I've already said, this is going to be a ring and I haven't had a chance to cast it, to be honest. I haven't even had a chance to print it. But with Halloween coming upon us fast, I thought I'd make this gift for you guys in case you want to print it before the day. So there you go. What do you think? If you like him, I'll put him on Thingiverse for you. Just check the description and you'll find the link there. So happy Halloween guys, take care and thanks for watching.